So the birds feed on the crabs. That's what he's saying. The crabs try to get away from the birds, but the birds feed on the crabs.
Almost like beef. Yeah. Thousands of colonies. A lot of neighborhoods. The queen and everybody. Yeah, it's like a lot of workers.
Basically the same thing as seen.
He's a baby.
Okay, so he said the shells on the roots are the oysters.
Oh.
Where? Where are they talking? I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
I ain't seeing it. I ain't seeing it. I'm not seeing no more. No?
Yeah, one of my friends from Australia.
Oh, wait. The same color. Well, I blind with these new glasses. Oh, well, next time. Next time. All these are crabs. The crab will jump on you? You're afraid of the crab? I'm afraid of the crab.
My only one.
But I'm doing it to get more views on my YouTube channel, so.
Just run over each other.
Yeah. Crabs. Look how close we are.
Look at this one.
Crabs.
Probably a little bit more mature than the So you got this one to show the vlog.
Birds also feed them. Like army ants. So really to the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. This is
Crabs. Crabs right there. Next time.
You see enough money to
Yeah.
very close.
Good afternoon. Thanks for coming and bringing the food and snacks for us. Right.
Flamingo just basically that's their home, or do they?
They're feeding there, but they stay within the swamp. They stay all over the swamp.
All over.
Yeah. But we never had flamingos before. Only about 2 years now. We started having swamp. So you want to see that.
So it's at September, October, November, you could pass that muddy area. You could pass over the
Where
muddy
did they
area.
came from? The flamingos.
Flamingos came from South America. This is mud here. So we can't go over there because there's mud blocking
So in low tide, you could only go up to here.
Yeah?
Up to here, that's it.
Yeah, go like more.
No, I know, yeah.
If you want to take a walk,
it. They say take a walk.
it's hard mud. You take a walk and come back.
In high tide, it gets, the hair's the same place you stay, basically, in high tide.
The sun comes back again. You should start vlogging. Just saying.
And you can ask questions. The area being right now, this is drain number 9. Here is the North South Canal. From there is the Blue River. That's the natural part. The guy was asking, so I said it's stop and show him. This part was man-made, this and this. Was a drainage system to drain the interior of the island. Across the boat embankments, you see the fresh water and here salt, but they never maintained the area any whole thing fell apart. The embankment started where you start, come down, go that way to an area they call Felicity. They had a sluice gate. They opened the gate when the tide low on this side, and the extra fresh water is to go with. So it's a plant, vegetable, rice, sugarcane, all those things. But they come back natural, so it can no planting of anything. Yeah, brackish, more fresh and salt. But it's still salt, so nothing can do it. Yeah. The whole area is Caroni Swamp, and Caroni Swamp is a land depression south of the Northern Range Mountains. It's approximately 40 square miles, and the area is tidal. The difference between high and low tide is about 3 feet. We almost have a low tide, so as we go inside, we'll see open areas, see mud flats, and see some of the birds feeding in the mud flats. The trees are all mangrove trees. These are the most common and dominant species in here. We'll be seeing as we go along, but that way you mostly see. The long things are roots. It starts from way on top, come down, stick into the mud. That's for breeding, feeding, and keeping it firm. All its shells are the oysters. The same oysters used for the cocktails. We have crabs, barnacles, snakes, iguanas, all those in the berry trees. So those are red mangrove. We have 2 other types. These right here, the dark ones here, is a black mangrove. You see those coming up. And those straight ones, the very straight ones behind, those are white mangrove. But both have same type of roots. And they stay in the higher areas. So most of the trees are the beginning both sides, further inside, where the white and black. They kind of stay in the marshy areas. As you could see, all inside is just the red. The black nests on the trees are the termites' nests. We do have a mammal that feed on these termites. Silky anteater, we do get them occasionally. The snake, those are boas, tree boas or cascabel, and they get about 9 feet long. The reason why they're on the trees, they feed on birds. So they sleep daytime and feed at night. Tree boas or cascabel. We also have what they call alligators. That's the local name. What we really have is spectacled caiman. They get about 7-8 feet. Sometimes they get them on the side or in the higher areas. A lot of crabs. You saw all the holes on the side, the smaller holes, and the holes are the fiddler crabs. That's one of the main diet for the birds in here. The bigger holes are the holes of the blue land crab, what we use for the callaloo and curry crab and dumpling. In the water, we have Atlantic swimming crab. On the roots, we saw those look like the spiders. That's the biggest they get, and they live on the trees. We also have the mangrove crab or hairy crab. A big brown crab, you get them all in the mangrove. This canal, it goes straight down to the Gulf of Paria. In high tide, where we start, about 5 to 6 feet deep. As we came along, get deeper and wider, the deepest part is down that way, close to the Gulf of Paria. Here in the Gulf of Paria is a big nursery for fishes. Fishes from all over come to nest during the rainy season time. From June, come back to, finishing now, it's been ready to finish. Not much rain. So when a lot of rain fall, a lot of fresh water pass through, go out in the Gulf, keep the salinity low, the fish in the low salinity water to nest. So fish from all over come to nest. Groupers, snappers, tarpon, mullet, snooks, all these things. Biggest grouper we caught in here was over 300 pounds. Biggest tarpon, over 250 pounds. So a lot of big fish, and people get them from time to time. We also have tickle lizard, mongoose, raccoons, iguanas. In Caroni Swamp, we have about 180 species of birds. The most common ones, the white ones, are the egrets, the blue ones are herons, and the main attraction, the red ones, scarlet ibis. Well, we saw some of all those already, but we'll see a lot more in a while. So that's it for now. Any questions? No questions? Okay. Doing that way. Once they get red, you will not color till they die. A lifespan is about 25 years. They also varies in sexes. Male birds are slightly larger and more bright in color, whereas they're flying or smoking. Mom, come in there again. Hard to see. The bird is red, except the tip of the wings black. All have black wing tips once they get. So it depends which side they go to feed. Most come from that side. So right now a lot went so, but they might be coming from this side too. They come from all sides.
Just a full moon and based on double occupancy, I suppose we have to pay the full rate. Yes. Well, yeah, because you can't tell them. I knew this should. I thought it would take more than 2 hours.
Have small branches, and they lay about 3 eggs. The eggs are slaty grey with brown spots and markings. Incubation is about 26 days. When the young one appears black in color, after 9 weeks, when they leave the nest, they get grey with white on the side. So the dark ones are this year young ones. And it takes them about 3 years to get red, but they must get the food. The crab and shrimps and fishes, all these things. They get carotene from this food. Carotene passes through the flesh and feather tissues to get the chemistry of the bird. That enhances the red color and takes about 3 years. Look, the right.
This is it.